Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is October 16, variant 43, question number 11. Topic is a whole level sequence. Okay, and you can see here that we have A, B, C, D sequence, and here, and so I said before, best technique whenever you're doing this kind of question, and if a term number not mentioned here, you write yourself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and n. So sometimes it helps us to solve. Okay. So he's asking fill it, and it's a 10-mark question. So 10 marks to fill this 8 boxes. So it means important there. So show formula, so rule. So sequence A, let's talk about sequence A. So 2 and gap is +3, +3, +3. So A is 2 and D is +3. So formula, you know, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, arithmetic progression. And A is 2, n is n as it is, D is 3. Open the bracket. We got a 3n minus 3, and ultimately we got a 3n minus 1. So we got the nth term for sequence. Okay, I can write here Tn is equal to 3n minus 1. How to find fifth term? Put 5 here. 5 3s are 15 minus 1, 14. So we got it. Okay. So similarly, sequence B, I can go for it. So sequence 20, A is 20, common difference, I can understand -6. How come 20 minus 6, we got a 14, minus 6, we got it, -6, so -6. So value Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 20, D is -6. -6 into this, you got it -6n, -6 into this, you got a +6. So 26 minus 6n is our nth term, and that's it. So this sequence is also over. So here I got Tn is equal to 26 minus 6n. If I'm looking for fifth term, so put 5. When I put 5 here, 6 are 30. 26 minus 30 is -4. Okay. Okay, let's go for the next one. Next one is sequence C. So sequence C is what here? Sequence C. Okay. You can check here 1, 1, 4, 9, 16, continue. So 4 minus 1 is 3 and 9 minus 4 is not 3. It means no AP. Into 4 I got it, into 4 I'm not getting. So no AP, no GP. I can understand this is a square of 1, this is a square of 2, this is a square of 3, this is a square of 4, and remove the squares and I select 1, 2, 3, 4. I know this nth term is n only, but I can show working. What is A? A is 1. What is the common difference? 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 1. So formula, you know, A plus n minus 1 into D. And D is 1. Open the formula. As I said before, is nth term is n. In case start from 1 and move. So what is nth term before the sequence? First, I remove squares. Now bring back squares. So I am getting the answer. So Tn is equal to n squared. So let's see, 1 square, 1, 2 square, put here is 4, 3 square, 9, 4, and here 25. I can do this without working even. 1 square, 1, 2 square, this 3 square, 4 square, 5, and n squared is this. Okay. Now this, to add here 4, so no AP. Into, no GP, no square numbers, no cube. So 4 option not there. Now you see, that is the reason I wrote on the top. So you see, this plus this, sorry, this minus this, I'm getting this answer. I think it is not working. Okay. All right. So if I subtract them, okay. This minus this, it works. 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. 16 minus 4, 12. 25 minus 5 is 2. This n squared minus that. So I got n squared minus n is my nth term. So we have seen that sometime this way AP, GP, square numbers, cube number, and sometime manipulating up and down, multiplying, adding, subtracting, sometime common multiplying with the number. So I have finished my table, and let's go for the next question of the same. He says that sum of the nth term of sequence formula given here, this is a sum of the nth term formula. So sum of the n terms is given by him is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. He given us here, sorry, he given you, not here, he given that 3n, it's 3n plus 1. So a per special kind of sequence, okay. And he said that find the sum of the first n term is if 155. If sum is 155. So I have to show this answer. What to show? So 3n square plus n, 3n square plus n, and I think so this is my target to prove. Yes, 310, sorry. So I have to prove this link. So I'll apply. Solution start from here. This is sum, so I should not put this answer here. No, I should put it here. So 155 equal to n times 2, 3n plus 1 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 11, so 310. And n into this, I got 3n squared, n into this, I got n. So bring 3n squared plus n here, 310, equal to 0 here, or equal to 0 other side, no issue. So both are perfectly, so proved. So I have proved my target, proved, okay. So this part is over. So assuming this is a part number BI, okay. Now same question is asking here, B2 solve for quadratic formula. So it's not a hard job for us. So B2 formula, I save your time. A is 3, B is plus 1, C is not 310. Some student say here C is 310, now minus 310. And now we can apply that quadratic formula. And quadratic formula, if I apply, because save the time, minus B plus and minus B square minus 4A into C by 2 times 2A. So 2 times 2, 3. Okay, and I do quickly. So in the root we have 1 plus 4 into 3 into 310 is coming 61. So minus 1 plus 61 by 6. I will take two answers. Minus 1 plus 61 by 6 and minus 1 minus 61 by 6. This is 62 divided by 6. This is coming negative 31 by 3. Ignore it. And here I got a 10. This is okay. This is not okay because negative term is not possible. So, but anyway, we got two answers. We should not put tick mark across because he's asking two answers. He said the sum of so first term. So we got a, what is n? Here write a sentence. The sum of the first 10 terms. So 10 terms is what? Is 155, and that is the same. This one, and that is the question is over.